Hey there, it's Rob from Chartmat, and today I'm going to show you how you can visualize data from a survey into a Chartmat board. So here I have my survey data that could have been collected through a Chartmat form or any other source of data. And it's like a survey that measured how the equipment and the satisfaction and the productivity during the home office was assessed by the employees who shifted from on-site to remote. And as you see, this is like categorical data. For example, in the productivity column, um, we have three expressions. It's not quantitative data. Now, Chartman charts work particularly well with numerical data. So if you would want to display this in a Chartman chart, what we will actually need to do is transform this into numerical data. So it's simply create a new tab called productivity. And here I would simply count how often one expression occurs. So my expressions are higher, equal, and lower. And with a count if function, I need to first select the range. I could now count how often this expression occurred or was answered in my survey. And now suddenly I have numerical data that I can display in a Chartmat board. So I've already connected this board with my spreadsheet, and I would now simply click on chart, refresh my data source, and select my productivity sheet. The best way I think to visualize this would be a pie chart. So I would have on the x-axis the productivity, and on the y-axis the count. In this case, I don't need labels nor a legend, but what I would need are actually internal labels to show the expressions. And I would want to display this with different colors. So I would Google color code combinations 2021. And I would choose like a different color for every expression that I'm measuring. Okay, my internet's a bit slow. So actually I would need three different colors. Those are just two colors. So then I can just copy these values for the color codes. So I have three different categories, and therefore I need three different color codes. And I would want to put a name for this chart. How did productivity change through the shift from on-site to remote? All right, so that's how I could actually visualize my data in the Chartmat board. And it's like the same for any other category I would want to display. I could even make a radar chart showing like these two numerical expressions. In any case, that's like how I would do it. If you have any questions, feel always free to reach out, and I hope this was helpful.